Oh my God.
Oh, you do. You see her plow me over? Like she totally hit me and plowed me over and I'm just standing here.
I thought it was a ticket.
No, not the 10. Oh my God.
Really?
Here, let's get over here.
This is insane.
This girl's throwing shit.
This is the funniest shit I've ever seen. What's up, brother? How are ya? Can you imagine? Yeah. It was like one person tore the paper. And that's all it took.